So I thought I'd give you guys a couple of tips for the negotiation table. The way I see it's like this. I don't want to go into anything without being prepared, whether it's end of days, as it looks like things are getting pretty, tumultuous. But the other side of that is just anything that I'm involved in. I don't want to be the one who has to pull out my phone and ask Google. I want to be researched and well and ready to, and prepared to engage. So if that's with an employer, prospective employer, I want to make sure that first off, I have whatever value I think that I've proven or accumulated as far as the company's vision of me as an employee. I want to bring that to the table. The other thing that you'll notice when I speak from somewhere in the diaphragm. Now, a lot of younger people, including my sons and a lot of other young people I've noticed, you won't, it's not that you talk softly. Well, it is, but I think there's just a lack of confidence in your words, and I don't know that it's because you're not capable. I think you just a lot of nasal. You know, if you need to grow your voice as a man, I mean, imagine you were out on the plains and some animal came on and you had this guttural scream to let him know that you had a fight in you. That was something that happened probably progressively. For whatever reason, I know Marines are made to scream, and for some reason, it does change the vocal cords. So whatever you've got to do, you want to come into that room with some bass in your voice. All right, you want to sound like a man, and you want to say, "Hey, this is why I think I deserve what I deserve." So those are two tips. Have your lineup of things that you think have given you value. Now, I will tell you one more thing. It would behoove you, meaning it would benefit you, to go to that employer prior to any meeting that you're going to have where you're asked for money. If it's the first of the meetings you get, then the first of those meetings, all you need to do is ask for what's going to give me the money. The next meeting is, I've done all this, now I expect the money. And if you don't get it, then you leave and you don't waste 10 years there. This is kind of the way you go to negotiations table and continue to progress. I've had a lot of jobs, but I made more at every single one of them. All right, that's my 2 cents.